everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blanca with Creativities Galore, and today we are doing a tear apart bookmark Valentine card. I love how it turned out. So let's get started in Design Space. We're going to start by choosing a square, unlocking it, and changing the measurements to 5 by 6. Next, I'm going to bring it to the top to line it up with the ruler so it can help me with measurements later on. I change the color to white, and then I will go over back to shapes, and I am going to choose the line. So this is where the lining up the rectangle up at the top with the ruler comes in handy, because now I can place that line at the 2-inch mark. Now I just resize it in length to the bottom. Now currently the line is set at score, but I'm going to change it to perforate. That is what's going to help us be able to tear apart that bookmark section. That way whoever you're giving it to can keep it and not just throw it away. Now I am going to add a circle to the top of the bookmark portion, and we will slice that out so that way if they want they can put a ribbon through that hole so it could look cuter. So I did resize the circle to 0.25, and now I choose the circle and the rectangle and choose slice. Then I just delete the circle slice results and bring that line back to the top because it was set to the back. Now I am going to choose text and add Happy Valentine's Day to the top right corner. I change it to writing style so that it doesn't cut it out. Here I'm just making sure that it's in the right spot, resizing just so it looks good. And now I am changing the line to the correct pen that I will be using and color. Now I am going to add the to and from text at the bottom of the card. Also switching that over to the black color fine point pen. Next I go to images and I type in Valentine heart, and then I go over to operation type and change that to draw only. So it could give me images that already are set to that. And as you can see, Cricut Access has so many images. I ended up choosing 4. I thought that was a good amount. Now all I have to do is resize them to go in that bookmark section. The fun thing about doing these draw designs is that whoever receives this card can color those in and make it their own. So now just resizing all my images and placing them in the spots that I want them to be. Sure to also switch those to black fine point pen, and now I'm selecting everything on the card and attaching it so that way it all stays together. I click make it. As you can see, 2 can fit on an 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Here's my maker, drawing, cutting everything out. Next I just remove it from my cutting mat, and here I have my 2 tear apart bookmark Valentine cards. Next, I'm just going to add 2 crayons to each card and just use some washi tape to attach them. You could add the ribbon to that circle that we cut out at the top, or you could just leave as is. Here you'll see how easily it can tear apart with that Perforate tool that only works on the maker, by the way. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and that it inspired you, and I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.